This is the aloe vera plant, that one of the suckers that were in the water soaking in the previous video on Monday. And yes, it's as I promised I would put it in a pot. And yes, it's a cactus like plant, so definitely it's one great house plant. So yes, you want to pot it, put it in your house, and it does help to clean the air in your house. So today we are going to be blending some aloe vera juice. Yeah, interestingly, let me show you how the aloe vera looks. So this is how the leaves look. Yes, that's actually stain from cutting it, that yellow looking liquid there. So yes, we're going to be cutting it open and blending it. Yes, blending it up so you can see how it looks on the inside. So I know many of you would want to know how much aloe vera to use when doing. So I did put a cup of water in the blender. Yes, a cup of water in there. And we're going to cut, before that though, we're going to cut the aloe vera open. First you want to cut the sides off, or the first side. It's easier to open, or one of the sides open. And then you can, if you can see that jelly looking substance, so that's the aloe vera gel. And yes, we want to take that out. Definitely put it on a different plate because you want to get that gel out. So that's the gel. It's transparent, and this is a great gel you can use for your hair, especially. Once you cut one side off, you don't need to cut the other side to open it. You just cut it open like that and get the gel out. And yes, you can actually blend the whole leaf. So this is the leaf, that's the leaf, all of this is the leaf. So yes, so we actually cut the leaf open. So yes, you can blend the whole leaf. It's better, especially if you want to have it as a laxative, as one of my friends say, to clean you out. Yes, so that's the gel. I'm going to do another piece. You don't want to use too much. Like in everything, you need to be temperate. So even in the aloe vera. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a cup. I'll drink about half of it, and then I'll put the rest in a bottle. Put it in a glass bottle, glass jar. Yes, and put it in the refrigerator. And yes, you can have a teaspoon 3 to 4 times each day. So that's the aloe vera gel. So yes, we're going to be blending it up. I want to give shout out to CAS. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with aloe vera. I see you really love aloe vera. Thank you for your email and for connecting with us on Monday Medz. And also thank you so much, Promise, for sharing that powerful experience on being healed of herpes, like the herpes virus. And like I said, the aloe vera plant, it does help with building your immune system and fighting off viruses. So yeah, possibly it could be great also for corona, right? All right, so we're going to blend. So let's blend it. Blend it up. You blend it for about a minute. And then we're going to pour it out. This is the aloe vera drink or juice with some water. Yeah, I can notice that white stuff on top there. Yeah, it's from the blending. So I'm gonna drink it. Yeah, let's see how it tastes. Okay, so I'm going to drink this aloe vera juice, or drink because it's in water. So the gel is in water. I'm going to drink it. As my friend's nephew said, you can stop your breath, hold your nostril, drink it without smelling, or try not to taste. So let's see. Yeah, try try not to smell it. Yes, thank you so much for Selvin for that tip. Yes, it really tastes better or different not smelling it, because it has an odor that is not so pleasant. All right, so after this I'm going to definitely, yes, you want to drink this if you're taking it for laxative. You want to drink it at night, preferably. If you're drinking it for just, you know, nutritional benefits, definitely drink it. It's best to drink it on an empty stomach. So yes, I just had it on an empty stomach. I'm gonna wait about 15 minutes, maybe half an hour, and then I will eat. But definitely the taste in my mouth is not pleasant. So naturally I'm going to want to have, and yes, you could have this in juice, fruit juice or water, as I just had it in water. So yeah, do enjoy aloe vera. Even though it's bitter, it's better for you. It's better than all the sweet stuff that you may have. Yes, so drink it every now and then. Bottle the rest to drink another day. Hopefully tomorrow I'll drink the other. You can drink it throughout the day, or if you want to drink it all at once. And yes, for the aloe vera, you can actually rub the gel. It's very slippery, or it's very supple, and yes, or slimy. So yes, you can put it on your face also, like this. Instead of throwing it like rinsing your hands off, you can use the aloe vera gel that's on your hands. You can put it on your face. So we're going to do the juice with the whole leaf. So yes, not just the gel, but also the green part. We're gonna put the green part in it. Of course, you want to cut off the sides, because those have prickles. You don't want to blend those in, even though you could if you want to be adventurous. So yes, we're gonna slice it open. And it's easy to open because the gel is in the middle. So slice it open. Then it will be slippery to cut. And you can just dice it like that. And put it in your jug, your blender jug. Put it straight there. So yes, we're gonna do that with some water. Then this one, I'll add it to the jar, the one in the jar. And yes, again, you can use this as a laxative. Let's do it without cutting it open. It's easier to cut without cutting it open. You learn from experience, right? So yeah, you always want to cut away from yourself. You can use this too. We'll just cut it down like that. You don't want to waste any of it. It's too precious to be wasted. So yes, we're going to blend it. This will take a lot more time to blend because it has the whole leaves, the green part of the leaf, or the skin. So yes, it will take some time. So we do liquefy. Let's do mix. So yes, it's a little more liquefied. We're going to do it again. Then we're going to pour it out. And this time we're going to pour it straight to the bottle. You can see the green. Pour it all the way out. And yes, this green juice, you can call it. It's or the aloe vera juice. You can put it in your refrigerator. So yes, put it in a glass bottle, airtight glass. Make sure it's glass, and put it in your refrigerator. And yes, you can drink a teaspoon of it 3 or 4 times a day. Or if you're doing it for laxative, you can drink a cup of it overnight. In the night before bed, about an hour before bed, or 2, because you definitely don't want to give your stomach too much work while you're sleeping. And yes, that is your Monday Meds, aloe vera on your Monday Meds.